Hey there, everybody. Z here, coming at you live with a really quick, really short video for the day. So, I've come to realize that a lot of people are coming to the channel now that have not been here in the past, and they might not have seen some of our older videos where we go more in depth into what is SEO, and now they're getting a bunch of videos explaining like this is about keyword research, this is how you optimize here, these are plugins, without us really explaining what SEO is in a really short, really quick, really easy form factor. Well, SEO in its essence is working with the guidelines Google or Bing or search engine has given us to optimize for the first page of Google search results, right? SERPs, right? Search engine page results, right? SERPs, results page, sorry. And the way we do this is by exploring and modifying and optimizing several factors of our website, including performance, speed, content, keyword density, alt tags, meta tags, things you would have heard in the previous videos. Okay, to get you kickstarted on your journey for SEO, if you really just want a really quick guide and everything, go back and watch our SEO and You series that was presented by me in the beginning, where I go a lot more in depth on a lot of the topics involving SEO. Then come back, find a website that you like, and go to a website that allows you to use a keyword explorer. Right? So I'm just going to search this with Google quickly, and you will see that there are plenty of tools out there. Now, I use Ahrefs. It's just something that I prefer using. It's really good. It gives me a lot of results. For example, if I were to search SEO in the United Kingdom, it's going to show me that everything I need to do to rank this page. It's really, really hard, right? But if I were to say change to beginner SEO, a lot simpler. Beginner SEO for WordPress. Now it's really not specific, but yeah. So in general, what is SEO? SEO is basically trying to rank your website for specific keywords on the first page of Google. For example, if you were a diamond seller and you were specializing in, let's say, colored diamonds, you might have colored diamond as one of the keywords on your money pages, right? Or colored diamonds, right? Or you might have something like diamond ring as a keyword on your website, and you will see based on that you will need to reach certain benchmarks in order to rank in the first page of Google. This is what search engine optimization is. It's ensuring that your website always gets the results it needs by optimizing various factors on the website to actually reach that goal. I hope that answers the question. It's a really short video today. I'm super tired. I have many things to do. So if you have any questions, please leave it down below. Please refer back to our older videos if you need to. They go a lot more in depth into what is SEO, how to do all these things, where to get started. So if you do, please go back and watch these videos, and I'll see you all tomorrow.